So GCP, Google Cloud, and Azure, Microsoft Azure. Okay, Microsoft Cloud is there. Lot of vendors are there, so you can uh, learn anything. Okay, all are almost same, services are same. Similarly, there is one more cloud, Oracle Cloud, and then IBM Cloud are there. So these are the different clouds are there, all are having same. I will suggest you like go for a certification from this company, Amazon, GCP and Azure. These certification are little bit costly, but they are having value. Means if you have a AWS certified, GCP certified or Microsoft certified, Microsoft certified, then your chances will be increased of being selected in the interview. So once you are proficient in cloud computing and all, what are the roles they can offer you? Cloud engineer you can become. This is one of the highest paid job nowadays. Cloud engineer. uh, if you do machine learning and all, then data scientist role you can get it, but I don't feel in this group many of them they are interested in their data scientist, but is okay. What after learning Java and Python you can become application programmer and based on the cloud engineer. So go for the certification. I can show you. This certification are little bit costly, but they are having lot of value. AWS certification. These are given by directly company. AWS certification. They took the exam. This exam is taken online, and they you can schedule an exam. They will going to share you the content. Prepare on that. So it is given by AWS. Similarly, if you want a GCP, so GCP directly you can log in into the GCP cloud, and you can register there, and you can give an exam. These are the different kind of cloud architect, cloud developer, data engineer. Like this, develop several certifications are there that will help you to get the jobs. Similarly, Microsoft also, Oracle, everyone they are having certification which are given by direct company. So obviously when the tag of Microsoft, Google and Amazon, Oracle, IBM, when it is at with your name, obviously your chances will be high in placement of being selected. So getting the knowledge on this Google Cloud is very essential. With that, you just try to get the concept from this session, what intern session that is going on in every evening. I will try to cover most of the services so that you can, just like a storage you learn, right, how you can save it. So when you become a cloud developer or cloud engineer, you should be able to access every services. Like this VM instances, how you can create instance. Means instance means what? Instance means a machine you are creating, just like a system which is having some memory, RAM, storage, CPU, and you can all select it from here. Just wait, let it, you can see here. Now you can see I am creating one machine. This machine will going to deploy in a US Central. US Central means US Central, like one region is there. There this machine will be deployed on a server. And how much they are charging? 25.46 monthly dollar. $25 will be something like 75 rupees according to Indian currency. 75 rupees one dollar. So you can multiply and you can check it. So like if you multiply like if you do dollar to INR, then you can check it from there. Like it was a 26 suppose, right? So almost 1897 monthly they are charging you for accessing this Google Cloud. Okay, accessing this Google Cloud compute engine means to run your application on with this processor. You can see here two CPU they will provide you, 4 GB RAM. If you want you can increase also. You can see here 2 CPU, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB RAM, 13 to